Welcome to AssemblyTube, the free website for assembly leaders. To search for an assembly, first of all go to the main website and then in the right hand menu go down to switch to the database. At the top of the screen click search. You can see there are two sorts of search, simple and advanced. It starts off with a simple search. Type in your search term and then press search and you'll get a whole list of items that have been found by the search. You can see there are several pages, quite a few pages of results here. Let's go to an advanced search. In this case we can type in the search term again, but let's narrow down where we look. We can click in this box and choose Key Stage 2 video assemblies. Do a search again, and this time there are only a couple of pages. We've narrowed down the search. On this last advanced search we're going to do the same again. Type in our search term. This time we're going to show the results once we've clicked search. So let's go down to narrow it down to Key Stage 2 video and watch what happens this time. This time, as well as getting the results, you get the contents of the results. So that's quite useful.